Okay guys, this problem is compositional functions, and this one in particular give you here, given this equation, this function f of x which is equal to 5x plus 6 and g of x which is equal to x squared minus 1, and they want to find the composition of f with g, and it says here f composed with g. Basically what it means is how much is what you would get if you evaluate the function g inside of f of x. That's what we're doing, g inside of f of x. So in other words, this function f of x, this x is going to turn out to be g. So that's why they put it here. And the first thing we do is, well, we're going to evaluate in the function g, who is x squared minus 1. So in this x here, we're going to substitute this x squared minus 1. So let's go here. First step, this is actually by definition what it is. Second step, we take g and we put it here because we're already saying j is this. Third step, we go now to this one and put inside x, who's actually g of x. So it will look something like this. F of x is the same as 5 g of x plus 6. And then this g of x is actually this x squared minus 1 right in here. So this will look like something like 5 times, sorry about that, x squared minus 1 plus 6. That's actually what they did here. They distribute the 5 and you will get something like that. 5x squared minus 5 plus 6, and the answer at the end is going to be 5x squared plus 1. Now we're going to see here in a second, this is what we do. This will be the answer when you're doing f composed with g of x. But this one is not the same as g composed with f of x. In composition of function, the commutative property does not work. So let's verify this is true. Let's do g, oops, sorry about that, g composed with f of x, and see what we're going to get. Well, remember, this is going to be g of f of x, right? And g, we know g is what? Let's put here x squared minus 1. But this x is no longer x. This x is going to be now f of x. And this f of x is this 5x plus 6, right? Let's go here and see if that's the right function. Yeah, 5x plus 6. So what we're going to do here now is do this. We're going to substitute here f of x, which is 5x plus 6, and it's squared minus 1. 5x plus 6, let's do it here somewhere. 5x plus 6 squared is the same as 5x plus 6 times 5x plus 6. Okay, so whatever that. We apply FOIL, first, inner, outer, last, and then you will get 5x times 5x is 25x squared, and 5 times 6, 5x times 6 is 30, and 6 times 5x is 30, so it's going to be plus 60x, and 6 times 6 is going to be plus 36. So this thing here, we got 25x squared plus 60x plus 36 minus 1, right? Because this thing is this product here, we got it. So minus 1, the answer is going to be what? 25x squared plus 60x plus 35. And if you see, look at the answer. This one is the answer for f squared. Oh, sorry. We go up. This was the answer for f composed with g, and this is the answer for g composed with f. So you can see clearly they are not the same. Let's go back here. You see the answer, right? F composed with g, we got this, and g composed with f, we got, well, 25x squared plus 60x plus 35. There's only one case in which they are the same, that f composed with g is the same as eg composed with f, and that only happens when g is the inverse function of f is the inverse function of g, and we're going to see this in a second. Okay, take care, guys.